Hello students, let's move on to the next exercise, that is exercise 3.5 का first sum is in this figure ray PQ is a tangent and PS is a secant. ठीक है, where PQ is 12, they have said PQ is 12 and PR is 8. What all things they have asked? They have asked PS and RS. Very easy sum. Now, first of all, tell me what is PQ? PQ is tangent. And what is PS? PS is secant. And these both things are given. Fine. Now, if PQ is tangent and PS is secant, we will apply tangent secant segment theorem. There is a theorem. So, if these both are tangent and secant, then we इसका एक theorem क्या है बेटा? PQ square, the tangent square, PQ square will be equal to the outer part, that is PR, into the entire part, that is PS. इसका नाम है tangent secant segment theorem, and it is very simple. Listen, if there is a tangent and a secant, we will apply only this property. Now we will substitute. What is PQ? 12 square. What is PR? It is 8. And what is PS? We don't know, we have to find that. Fine. So what is PS equals to? 12 ka square is 12 into 12. This 8 will get into the denominator. It is 4 2s are, 4 3s are, 2 1s are, 2 6s are. Barabar? What is PS? PS is 18. So we got the PS ka value. Fine. Now if PS is 18, now what is PS we got? PS is equals to what? PR plus RS. What is PS? 18. What is PR? 8. And we have to find RS. If 8 goes here, it is subtracted. That is 18 minus 8. So therefore RS is equals to 10. Check the unit. It is not given to, will not write anything. It is unit. We'll write units here. Done with this? So simple. So students, exercise 3.5 का main question number 2 is MN and RS intersect at D, and there are two case 1. There are two sums in this main question. The first is, the information given is RD is 15. RD is 15, DS is 4, MD is 8. We have to find DN. We have to find DN. This is the first case. Okay. So tell me, what is MN? Chord MN and chord RS intersect at D. So which means it is internal divisions of the chord. Therefore, by theorem of internal division of chord, इंटरनल डिवीजन ऑफ कॉर्ड एकदम सिंपल है बेटा. कॉर्ड कहां पे डिवाइड, कहां पे इंटरसेक्ट हुआ है? डी पे. तो MD इंटू DN, MD इंटू DN विच विल बी इक्वल टू RD इंटू DS. RD इंटू DS विल सब्सटीट्यूट द वैल्यूज. सिंपल सा अंडरस्टैंडिंग है इसमें. ठीक है. नाउ विल सब्सटीट्यूट. व्हाट इज MD? दैट इज 8. व्हाट इज DN? वी डोंट नो. What is RD? 15. And what is DS? It is 4. Now this 8 goes here. So DN is equals to 15 into 4 by 8. It is 1s, 2s, 1s, 7.5s. So DN is 7.5 for the first case. Is that clear, all of you? Now, this was the case 1. Now, for the case 2, that the second sum. Okay, this was the first sum. The same understanding it goes for here. I'll rub this because it is not applied for the second case. The second sum says that RS is 18. Directly RS दिया है. RS is 18. MD is 9. MD is 9. MD is 9. DN is 8. DN is 8. DN is 8. They have asked us find DS. DS अपने को find करना है. Now, do we know RD? नहीं. RD नहीं है तो let us consider it as X and DS. Let RD be X. तो what will be DS? DS जो है ना बेटा वो 18 माइनस एक्स हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सिंपल सा अंडरस्टैंडिंग है. ये पूरा कितना है? 18 है. अगर ये x लिया तो what will be ds? 18 माइनस एक्स हो जाएगा वो. 18 माइनस एक्स. फाइन. नाउ सेम अंडरस्टैंडिंग है बेटा. कॉड mn एंड कॉड RS intersect at D. So therefore, by theorem of internal division of chord, क्या आएगा? MD into DN is equals to RD into DS. Fine. Now we will substitute the values. What is MD? 9. What is DN? 8. What is RD? RD is X into. What is DS? 18 minus X. Fine. Is that clear, all of you? What is this? 72. This is 18x minus x square. If this entire thing goes here, it becomes an equation. X square minus 18x plus 72, which is equals to 0. Fine. Now, this is all about the equations, that is the splitting of the middle term. ठीक है, 72. It is 172 ज़ा प्लस है बेटा, प्लस करके ही आना चाहिए. That is like it cannot come. Then 236 ज़ा not possible. 3 के टेबल में आते हैं क्या? आएगा, yes. It is 3 2 ज़ा 6, 1 carry it is 4. What is 24 plus 3? Not possible. Then 4 1 ज़ा 4. In 3 carry it is 8. Not possible. 6 ज़ा 6 के टेबल में 6 1 ज़ा 6, 1 carry it is 2 ज़ा. What is 12 plus 6? It is 12. तो x square minus 12x minus 6x plus 72 is equals to 0. So these are the factors. It is x minus 12 and x minus 6 is equals to 0. I'll write directly. Therefore, x is equals to 12 or x is equals to 6. These are the possibilities of getting the x. क्योंकि ये माइनस है ना, माइनस 12 इधर गया तो क्या होगा बेटा? पॉजिटिव होगा. माइनस 6 इधर गया तो पॉजिटिव होगा. यहां पे x का 2 वैल्यू बना. ठीक है, x का कितना वैल्यू बना? 2. तो इफ RD इज x फॉर दिस केस, इफ x is 12 then RD is 12 and DS is 18 minus 12, that is 6. ठीक है, I don't have space here. I'll write it here above. Is it okay? Now, if x is 12 for the first case, if x is 12, what will be RD? RD is x, so therefore RD is 12. And what will be DS? DS is equals to 18 minus x, that is 18 minus 12, that means DS is equals to 6. When it will become, if x is equals to 12. Now if x is equals to 6, we got two values now. If x is equals to 6, what will be RD? RD is x, RD is 6. Then what will be DS? DS is equals to 18 minus x, that is 18 minus 6, then DS will become 12. So done. Exercise 3.5 का third sum is, in this diagram O is the center of the circle and B is a point of contact, मतलब tangent. B is a point of contact, मतलब AB क्या हुआ, tangent हुआ. OE is perpendicular to AD. OE is perpendicular to AD. ये OE जो है perpendicular है AD को. AB is 12. Write it here. AB is 12 and AC is 8. So we find here AB as tangent and AD as secant. AB is tangent and AC is secant, which is given. ठीक है, तो we have the tangent secant segment property, that is AB tangent square will be equal to the outer part of the secant into the entire secant, that is AD. इसका reason है tangent secant segment theorem. Fine. Now we will substitute the values. What is AB? AB is 12 square. What is AC? AC is 8. We don't know what is AD. ठीक है, तो ये 8 इधर जाके डिवाइड हो गया, तो AD इज इक्वल्स टू 12 इंटू 12 अपॉन 8, दैट इज 4 2 ज़ा 4 3 ज़ा 2 1 ज़ा 2 6 ज़ा. सो देयरफॉर आई गॉट AD एज 18. ठीक है, I got AD as 18. So I got AD. Now I need to find DC. Now DC is in AD. DC जो है वो AD के अंदर ही है. तो what does AD makes? AD is equal to AC plus DC. That is AC plus DC. Now we'll substitute. What is AD? That is 18. What is AC? That is 8. So finally we will get DC, that is 18 minus 8. If 8 goes here, it becomes subtract. So DC is equals to 10. So we got the value for DC. Fine. Now forget about the DC मिल गया, अपने को अभी DE चाहिए. Now if you carefully observe, DC is a chord for this circle. DC जो है ना बेटा, वो सिर्फ chord है. अभी ये chord और OE उसको परपेंडिकुलर है. इफ यू रिमेंबर 9th स्टैंडर्ड का एक थियरम, परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉन फ्रॉम सेंटर टू कॉर्ड, परपेंडिकुलर बनाया है ना, फ्रॉम सेंटर टू कॉर्ड, इट बाइसेक्ट्स द कॉर्ड. तो बाय दैट प्रॉपर्टी आई राइट हियर OE इज परपेंडिकुलर टू DC विच इज गिवन. ठीक है, तो DE जो है DC का क्या होगा, हाफ होगा. DE इज हाफ ऑफ DC. Reason, perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisects the chord. Now substitute value and get the answer. That is DE is equals to half of, what is DC? DC is 10. So therefore DE is equals to, what is half of 10? 5. So this is our final answer. ठीक है, done. Hello students. Now the fourth sum is, in this diagram PQ is 6, I have written there, QR is 10, PS is 8. They have asked us to find TS. It's very simple sum. Now if we carefully observe, TS is a chord and RQ is a chord which intersect outside the circle, which means it is externally intersecting. Fine. So like there is a theorem for this, like I'll write first chord TS and chord RQ intersect externally at point P. Fine. Now here by theorem of external division of chord. What is that theorem says? The outer part of the chord, that is PQ, into the entire secant, PQ into PR will be equal to the same, like the same it goes for that, PS into PT. So this is the external divisions of the chord का property. ठीक है, PQ का वैल्यू दिया है 6, PR अपने को नहीं पता, PR is PQ plus QR. तो I'll find it first. PR is equals to PQ plus QR. Fine. So therefore PR is equals to 6 plus 10. Therefore PR is equals to 16. Fine. Now I'll substitute it here. In this statement. PQ. I'll write it again. PQ into PR is equals to PS into PT. Fine. What is PQ ka value they have said? Yes, that is 6. PR is 16. PS is 8 and we don't know PT. ये 8 is equal to के यहाँ पे गया तो divide हो जाएगा. That is upon 8 is equals to PT. It is 8 ones are 8 twos are. So therefore PT is equals to 6 twos are is 12. So I got the value for PT. What is the question they have asked is TS. Now check TS किसके अंदर आ रहा है? PT के अंदर आ रहा है. तो what is PT equals to? PT is equals to PS plus TS. बराबर. How much we got the value for PT? That is 12. What is PS का value? Is 8 plus TS. ये 8 इधर गया तो subtract होगा. That is 12 minus 8. So therefore finally we will get the value for TS, that is 4. 12 minus 8 is 4. Done? So the next sum, that is fifth one, in this diagram what they have said, EF is a diameter. EF क्या है बेटा? Is a diameter. EF is diameter. And diameter मतलब double the radius. तो EF is equals to 2R. First of all I'll write that. And sec DF is a tangent segment. DF जो है वो tangent है. तो DF is tangent. ठीक है. And what is DE? And DE is secant. That both the things are given. So by the tangent secant segment theorem, the tangent square, that is DF square, is equals to DG into DE. DG into DE, that is tangent secant segment theorem. Fine. I'll give this equation number 1. Okay. Now if you carefully observe this triangle, now this is a radius HF. HF is radius and DF is tangent. So according to that logic that is given, radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. So therefore triangle DFE is right angle triangle. Reason, radius is perpendicular to tangent. Fine. Now if DFE is right angle triangle, so who is hypotenuse here? DE. That is DE square is equals to DF square plus EF square. Is that clear? Now we will substitute I'll give that equation number 1 here, and this I'll give it as 2. Now, what is dE square? So the next step is dE square माइनस, ये df इधर गया तो क्या होगा, माइनस होगा, df स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू ef स्क्वायर. ठीक है, इट इज ef स्क्वायर. नाउ dE will remain as it is minus. What is df? That is dg into dE is equals to, what is ef? 2r the whole square. This is from 1 and 2. Is that clear? Now dE square है ये और ये dE, इन दोनों में like from this part and this part, what is common? The common is dE. ठीक है, dE आ गया तो dE माइनस dg ही बचा और ये क्या हो गया बेटा, 4r स्क्वायर बच गया. इज दैट क्लियर? तो ये dE का dE ही रहेगा इनटू, ये इनटू होता है. What is dE minus dg? If you carefully observe the diagram, dE, ये dE है, ठीक है. dE में से अगर मैं dg को कट कर दूं क्या बचेगा, eg बचेगा ना. d minus dg is equals to eg, that is 4r square. This is what I have to prove. Done.